Welcome to a Hygiena informational video. In this video I'm going to be demonstrating how to use the Snapshot Universal ATP swabs in BioTrace systems. First off, you're going to be receiving a box from Hygiena that contains all you need to do for a side-by-side evaluation of the Snapshot swabs against the BioTrace CleanTrace swabs. So let's get started. The first thing that you'll see when you open the box is a folder containing information on the Snapshot product, price quote, additional information, and a message to call your Hygiena sales rep once you receive the side-by-side evaluation. She'll be able to quickly discuss with you basic setup and answer any questions that you might have at the beginning of this evaluation. Next, you'll find an instruction manual on how to conduct the side-by-side evaluation, then the kit insert for the Snapshot product. You'll receive 25 Snapshot swabs to test with, a plastic 10 microliter pipette with pipette tips, and 3 ATP vials containing different ATP dilutions. In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to create a controlled study so that you can compare the Snapshot Universal ATP swabs to the CleanTrace swabs in the NG machine. First, you want to get set up. I'm going to remove half dozen or so Snapshot swabs, and then I'm going to remove a half or dozen so of CleanTrace swabs. To begin the study, we're first going to start with the 2,000 femtomoles of ATP. Remove the cap. Take the pipette with a new pipette tip on it. We're going to start with our CleanTrace swabs. We're going to collect a sample, pipette the sample onto the tip of the CleanTrace swab, place back in the tube, and activate. Shake just a little bit, and then place in the NG and read. I'll do this 5 times. After each reading, I'll record the result and whether or not the test failed, was a caution, or a pass. Now I'm going to take another sample, making sure to change the pipette tip for each test and using a new device. Following the same process, activate, shake, and read in the instrument. So now that I've collected 5 results with the CleanTrace swabs, now I'm going to move to the Snapshot swabs using the same dilution vial and the same process, and then record the results from the Snapshot. You quickly will notice that the Snapshot swab is a lot different than the CleanTrace swab. However, the sample collection is exactly the same. The only thing that changes is the activation. So changing the pipette tip, collect a sample, pipette the sample onto the swab bud, insert back into the swab tube. By just applying a little pressure to the snap bulb and breaking the snap valve and bending it back and squeezing, the reagent will run down and react with the contamination. And then I'm going to continue on and do 4 more tests. When that's done, then I'll go to the vial containing 200 femtomoles of ATP. Once I'm done with that, then I'll move to the vial containing 20 femtomoles of ATP, and again, I'll do 5 replicates with the CleanTrace swab and 5 replicates with the Snapshot swab. So now that you have your 30 tests, you can look at your data You want to calculate the average of each dilution, and then you also want to compare the standard deviations. This will show you that the snapshot swab is very similar to the CleanTrace swab, and most importantly, that your results, meaning your pass, caution, and fail results, will correlate 100% to what you get with the CleanTrace swabs. A lot of people ask us why the snapshot swab is so much less expensive than the CleanTrace swab. Just looking at the manufacturing of the two devices, it's easier to manufacture the snapshot and there's less components. Therefore, it's less expensive and also more environmentally friendly. Now I'm going to address the issue of why snapshot is a better ATP test than the CleanTrace test. Because CleanTrace has to puncture through foil seals to create a reaction, when you puncture through those foil seals, you're actually losing sample on those foil seals. With snapshot, after you've collected a sample, you simply put it into the swab tube. There's no foil seals, no puncturing. Activation takes place, the liquid runs down and reacts with the sample, so you're not losing any sample. And that allows us to give more accurate readings with our swabs. I hope this Hygiena informational video has been helpful and that I've demonstrated how to use the side-by-side evaluation kit. If you have any further questions, please contact your Hygiena sales rep, or you can visit us at www.hygiena.net. By switching to the snapshot product, you'll be getting a better test at a more affordable price. And thank you for watching this video.